Good morning, students. I welcome you all on GPC Dosa's YouTube channel. I have been teaching you about the phrase and its kinds. I have told you about various kinds of phrases. Today, I am going to tell you about participle phrase. What a participle phrase is, how does it function, and we will also look some examples. A participle phrase is a group of present participle or a past participle verb plus modifiers and other linked words. This means, as you know, we have two participle, present participle and past participle. Present participle form of the verb has ing in it, and past participle form of the verb, which is usually the third form of the verb, which now the present participle, when it comes and takes modifier after it and other linked words, it makes a phrase. Similarly, when a past participle verbs comes with its modifiers and other linked words, it also makes a phrase, and both are called participle phrases. This participle phrase is punctuated with a comma or commas in a sentence. I repeat, in a sentence, usually this participle phrase is punctuated with a comma or commas. When a single participle comes, it doesn't need that there is a comma, but when the participle phrase comes in a sentence, it is separated by a comma. Now, this participle phrase functions as an adjective of a noun in a sentence. It modifies a noun. Now, before we go, before we look, study some examples, I repeat, a participle phrase is a group of present participle or past participle verb and its modifiers, and it is separated by a comma, and it functions as an adjective. Now, let's look some examples. First example, the students, comma, raising their hands need extra page. Second sentence, she got a mail, comma, mentioning about her exam. Third sentence, the chair, comma, made of plastic, looks very beautiful. Fourth one, I saw him laughing. Fifth, doctors found him dead. Now, as you see, the participle phrase in the sentence is separated by a comma, and as I have told you, it functions as an adjective. In the first sentence, the students, comma, raising their hands need extra page. The participle phrase in this sentence modifies the noun the students. The noun phrase students, the students. In the second sentence, she got a mail mentioning about her exam. The participle phrase in the sentence modifies the noun phrase a mail. Now, I think it is clear to you that the participle phrase acting as an adjective modifies a noun In these sentences, participle phrase modifies the meaning of the noun phrase the students. In the second sentence, a male. The third sentence, the chair made of plastic. We are talking about the chair which are made of plastic. Fourth sentence, I saw him laughing. I saw him laughing. In the sentence, the subject word is I, verb part is saw, and object is him. I saw him. Now the laughing, sorry, now laughing, the participle word, the present participle word here is an adjective and modifies the meaning of the object him. I saw him laughing. It means he was laughing. So the adjective here becomes complement of the object. It is an adjective. Adjective here becomes complement of the object. Likewise, in the fifth sentence and last sentence, doctors found him dead. Subject word doctors, found verb him, object, and dead past participle again as an adjective modifies meaning of object word him and becomes complement of the object. I think you have understood it well. If you have some difficulty, you should re-listen it and practice in your books. The exercises are available online. If you have any difficulty, you can ask me anytime. Thank you.